In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover image in Notion. Adding a cover is a quick way to make your pages easier to recognize and more enjoyable to work with, whether you're documenting projects, creating a knowledge base, or setting up a personal dashboard. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. Click login and sign into your account so you can access your content. Once you're in, go to the workspace you want to work on. If you belong to multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so the page you're updating is in the correct place. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add a cover image. This could be a regular page or a database page. The process is the same. When the page opens, move your mouse over the title at the top. As you hover over the title area, you'll see some page controls appear. Click Add Cover. Notion will automatically add a default cover image right away, so you'll see an instant change at the top of your page. If you want to change that default, click Change Cover. This opens up a selection panel with different categories and a variety of images to choose from. Browse through the options until you find something that matches the tone and purpose of your page. A clean, relevant image can make it easier to visually identify your page later. If you have a specific image in mind, you can also upload one from your computer or add one through a link. Uploading is great when you want to use branded graphics, custom artwork, or a screenshot that fits your needs. Using a link works well for images hosted elsewhere. For best results, choose clear, high-resolution images and avoid very busy visuals that might distract from your content. Another convenient option is to choose from Unsplash, which gives you access to a large library of free, high-quality photos. You can explore different themes and find a photo that suits your page's topic or style. This is a fast way to elevate the look of your workspace without spending time designing an image from scratch. Once you've made your selection, your cover is applied automatically. If you change your mind later, just repeat the change cover step and pick a different image, upload a new one, or swap in another link. Keeping your covers consistent across related pages can help with organization and make navigation feel more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.